Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is another video concerning antiviruses and answering a question that is, of course, a very good question, because a lot of you out there, every time I post videos of, I got this antivirus that is free from my internet service provider, and it works fine, and they want me to use this, so I guess it must be a good one. And here's the thing with what's happening. So a lot of you, and it's actually being more and more used as a way of promotion, if you want. A lot of you get a antivirus from your internet service provider. So they will say, "Oh, by the way, you got free McAfee when you are subscribed to our service," and or other, Nord or Trend Micro, whatever. And of course, a lot of people get lured into, oh, I'm going to download that. It's free with my internet service provider. Problem is, and that's where this is kind of a little bit deceiving. The reason why your internet service provider is pushing a certain antivirus doesn't have much to do with the fact that it's good or better than others. Honestly, it has a lot to do with the fact that they get paid by the antivirus company to promote it. So what happens is the antivirus company will pay a fee, and every time somebody installs it from an internet service provider, the internet service provider gets paid a small amount. And why do they do that? You say, well, why are they paying for us to do this? They're paying because if you ever move away from that internet service provider, you might go to another one that doesn't offer any service antivirus, free antivirus service. So that means you are left with what's on your machine, and when it actually expires because you're moving away from your ISP, you might just actually, pay for a renewal. And that's a way that they're making money, and that's a sneaky way of making money. Same thing happens with the PC you buy. So you get that new HP or that new Dell or that new Toshiba, and you notice that, it comes with a free Norton for 90 days or 6 months, or sometimes, you get something for like a year. And that's, again, another way of trying to lure you into getting that antivirus. That's the big problem. And basically, it's pushing that antivirus in your face because, these companies are facing competition. Windows 10 already has Windows Security, which is good enough, and you don't need anything else. The thing is, by pushing a antivirus on your machine from the start when you buy it, well, once again, what happens is that Dell or Toshiba or whatever company of that, HP, they're getting paid for you to have that installed. So you get that new HP machine and it has Norton or whatever, and you're like, oh, it has Norton, and like, a 6-month trial or a 90-day trial or so on. So you actually activate it, and a study does show that a big chunk of people that have that already pre-installed will tend to pay a renewal fee when it expires, because the majority of people don't know that there's already something in your machine, Windows Security, and it's enough. And, the trouble of understanding sometimes some of these antiviruses are kind of difficult to uninstall from your PC. So that's another way that they're trying to get you to stay there, because it makes it difficult for you to really, uninstall it or understand how you uninstall it. It's not always really clear. So, of course, people tend to stay with what they have. And that's the reason why your ISP, that's the reason why your new PC has a pre-installed antivirus. They're not doing that to help you out. And they're not doing that because they're saying, oh, this is better. We think this is better. They're getting paid for that. And it's the only reason why they're pushing that antivirus to you. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.